Hello, friends, students, and enthusiasts. So today's topic is on ethical AI. That is, how transparent is our technology today in AI that we are going to discuss with few of the points. How the decision making matters now more than ever before. Why? Because we have gone little far in AI also. So we'll discuss few points in that, and after that we'll have a small video so that you will have a little idea about what is ethical AI. So, so what is the hidden AI layer of AI? That is artificial intelligence. AI system often function as a black box. Users user don't know how decisions are made. Lack of transparency can lead to bias, unfair outcomes, and trust issues. So what is the key concern? Who is accountable when AI make a mistake? So one simple example is biased hiring algorithm or facial recognition error is there. So who will be responsible for that? So this point, that is, it should be clear to every party. Is why transparency matter in AI? Why? Because in this, you should understand the four basic points. One is explainability, accountability, fairness, and trust building. So explainability, users should know, understand why an AI made a decision. They should know, they should have a complete idea, because they have, suppose we ask a question on why it make a decision, that he should understand that maybe the decision not perfect or not correct, or it can be little different. Accountability, clear responsibility assigned to developer and companies, those who make AI based platforms and softwares. They should be, accountability should be there, or I mean it should be, they should be considering that particular part, that is accountability part. Fairness prevents hidden bias against group of individuals. Trust building, transparency increases user confidence in AI system. Building a transparent technology future, we are discussing about the future. Open source model and audit to ensure fairness. That means in the coming future, we should have an open source model. Ethical AI regulation should be there. Like example, in EU, you have AI Act, IEEE guidelines are there. So all these things should be considered for that, for transparency purpose. Companies must provide user-friendly explanation of AI decisions. The future of AI depends on public awareness plus responsibility. Innovations, correct? So the question lies is your technology serving you or controlling you? That is the point. Okay, I have a small video on this. Please watch this video.
All right, let's talk about something that's shaping our world right now, ethical AI and why transparent decision-making matters so much. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, recommending your next binge watch, helping doctors diagnose diseases. But here's the thing, AI isn't magic, it's built by people trained on data, and just like us, it can have biases. So how do I make sure AI is fair and trustworthy? It starts with transparency. Imagine you're denied a loan by an AI system, but you have no idea why. That's not just frustrating, it's unfair. Transparent AI means you can actually see how decisions are made. It's about opening the black box so everyone understands what's going on inside. Now let's talk about bias. AI models learn from the data they're given. If that data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, if a hiring algorithm is trained mostly on resumes from one demographic, it might unfairly favor that group. That's a big problem. To fix this, I need to be intentional about the data I use. That means collecting diverse, representative datasets and constantly checking for bias. It also means involving people from different backgrounds in the development process, because the more perspectives I have, the fairer the AI becomes. But transparency isn't just about showing the code, it's about explaining decisions in a way people can actually understand. If an AI rejects your job application, you deserve to know what factors led to that decision. Was it your experience, your education, or something else? That openness builds trust. And trust is everything. If people don't trust AI, they won't use it, or worse, they'll get hurt by it. That's why ethical AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a responsibility. So what's the future look like? I see a world where AI decisions are clear, fair, and accountable, where everyone can understand how and why those decisions are made, and where technology is a tool for good, not just a black box that decides our fate. Thanks for hanging out with me.